Okay, in this video, we're going to see if we can install the Atubeix red strobing LED taillight. Okay, this is, I don't know if you can make out that label. Here's a part number. Obviously, I will post a link. So we have to remove factory taillight first, 2 Phillips head screws, and then the Atubeix comes not with the plug end on it. I guess because it's a multi-fit, you'll put your plug end on, but after you make sure your wires are correct, because they may be color-coded differently, since this is a universal taillight like Harley used across the board. So this is their version of it. This is supposed to have strobing, and it's LED. So let's pop these Phillips head screws out first, and then we'll pull the taillight off. You will reuse your screws, so do not lose them. Now let's pull this out and see where we're at. And then we'll check the wiring, figure out which one is ground. Obviously, hopefully it should be black. I mean, that's universal. There we go. And there, that's off. Let's get this out. We can unscrew this. In the back here, well, there's one of the screws. You see there's the bulb. So we have to twist that out so we can get to the wiring here and make sure it's the correct wiring. Actually, what I may do is just unplug this. I don't know if you can see this right here. See if we can unplug this from here without causing an issue. Let's see. Yeah, that's that. So it should be this 3-wire one right here. Yeah, is it going to cooperate? Probably not. Let's see what we got. Come on. All right, let me get a pick. Oftentimes you got to use a pick in order to release those. Let's see what we got here. Picking a small screwdriver. Try the pick first and see if that'll do the trick. Yeah, you don't want to release, do you? Okay, easier said than done. Oh, it's up underneath, no wonder. There it is. Okay. So this comes out. Very good. Hey, so that's unplugged. Then we just have to figure, all right, so black is going to be that way. The ground is on the right. Let me see if I can remove this one too. We can get this out of the way. Just don't forget to plug it back in. Come on. Uncooperative. Okay. This one is awful snug. Come on, baby. Yeah, you don't want to unplug, do you? It actually looks like somebody's been here before. We've got some heat shrinked wires, and that is not factory as far as I know. All right, let's see what we got here. Take out this new light. Okay. And there's the new light. Take this off. All LED, so this should fit. Yeah, see, that fits pretty nice. So just a matter of figuring out the wiring and we'll be in business. So we've got here, we've got black, red, and blue. And on the factory one, we've got black, red, and blue. Actually, a red, yellow, and a blue. So I'm going to try to wire it that way, and we'll see how we are. See if it's in place and does the trick. So let's go from here and back this up just a little bit. Find my wiring here. Okay. So we are, furthest one is black. Next one is red. Because this is actually a 4-prong plug here. Red, get it on there, we'll be in business. All right. Black, red, and then blue is actually all the way to the left on this one. Let's see if we can get this. My dog is going nuts for something again. All right, so there's black, red, and blue. Make sure they stay separated. And then I'm going to come over here, leave that like that. Let's put the key in. Turn the key on and we'll see where we're at. Let's see what we got here. All right, key is on. Now, let's just see. We just don't want these wires to touch while we're finagling here. Okay, come on. Okay, that's locked in there. So that is, should be taillight. Let's see if that goes to brake now. Yep, very good. Nice, okay, so that's the correct wiring on it. Turn this off, and then we'll plug them into the plug-in that comes with it, and we should be good to go. Let's see, here's our plug. So it's black, ground, red I imagine is probably for running light, or actually brake light, and then blue is probably the running light. But it's a four connection plug. So what you are is you have black and red next to each other, empty spot, and then blue to the left on the end. Now we'll see if we can put this together here and we'll be in business. So the catch goes underneath on this. So I'll try to do this where I can show you. Okay, hopefully you guys can see that. Here's our black one. And then goes our red one. Like so. And then our blue one goes in the far left. Like so. Push that in and we'll snap that shut, see? And that latches in place. So there you go. So we're going to plug this in now. Oh, that's beautiful. And you pop right back out of the back of the plug. So that I could see being a problem. Try this again. Maybe they did not seat all the way, although they did look seated. Try this again. Okay, that's bottom. So there's black. That's black. Now it's locked in. I may have had them upside down. And then we'll go red. Come on. Get this to open back up. We'll be in business. There we go. All right. There's red. Yeah, now they're clicking in. And then we got to go blue on the end. Blue. And then we'll lock our little door here. Hopefully you guys can still see that. Okay. And very good. All right, now plug that in. All right. Okay. Locked in. All right, let's look and see. Yep, still going right along. Let's check it. Make sure. All right, very good. Yep. And then let's see, we'll hit the brake. Yep, very good. So it strobes 3 times and stays on. Very good. Okay, that's done. And we'll swing back around. Put it in place. We'll throw the 2 Phillips head screws in. Like so. Get our Phillips heads. All right, very good. All right, that's that. And again, you remember, snug, don't kill. These things can crack easy, I'm sure. Here we go. One thing I will say is it has a really nice gasket on it for what I paid. Obviously, I'll tell you guys when I upload the video with the link what I paid for it, but it was dirt cheap. So if it does what I need it to do, gets attention on the back end while I'm riding it, and whoever I sell it to, very good. All right, we are in place. Nice job. All right, let's hit that one more time. That looks good. Yeah, it's got a good rubber gasket on it, so it makes a good seal. All right, very good. 1, 2, 3, strobe, and stay on. All right, very good. So we'll see how that is at night, and we'll go from there. Very good. All right, guys, thanks for watching, as always. Please like and subscribe. As I always tell you, it helps me with YouTube's analytics program. All right, I'll see you in the next video.